भगवते वासुदेवाय वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलम्.
So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given us, it is in the Shastra, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has pointed out the Acharya's business. Everything is there in the Shastra. Acharya does not invent anything. That is not Acharya. Acharya simply points out, here is the thing. Just like in the darkness of night, we cannot see anything perfectly or cannot see anything. But when there is sunrise, the sunrise, effect of sunrise is that we can see things as they are. The things are not manufactured. There is already. The things are all the houses, the town and everything is there. But when there is sunrise, we can see everything nicely. Similarly, Acharya or incarnation, they do not create anything. They simply give the light to see things as they are. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu pointed out this verse from Brihad Naradiya Purana. The verse was already in the Brihad Naradiya Purana. Haren Nama, Haren Nama, Haren Nama iva kevalam, kalau nasteva, nasteva, nasteva gatirannatha. This verse was already there in the Brihad Naradiya Purana, the indication of our activities in the age of Kali. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he pointed out, although he is Krishna himself, he could manufacture so many things, but he did not do so. That is Acharya. Acharya will not manufacture any new type of religion, a new type of phrase of Hare Krishna mantra. That is not potent. This, just like Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is in the Shastra. So that is potential. That if we add and subtract something from these 16 words, that is my manufacture. That will have not the potency. They do not understand it. They are thinking if they can manufacture some new line, adding with Hare Krishna, then he becomes particularly noted. But he spoils the whole thing. That is it. He does not make any new thing. The new thing he does, he spoils the whole thing. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never did so. Although he is Krishna himself, he stuck to the point of Shastra. Krishna, he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He also indicates Jasastra vidhimutsijya vattate kamakara na siddhim savapna. He indicates that nobody can give up the injunction of the Shastra. Brahma Sutra padaishchaiva hetumadhi vininnikam. Krishna says, he can give. Whatever he says, that is Shastra, that is Veda. But still, he gives reference to the Shastra. So, Acharya's duty is to point out the Shastric injunction. They are already there in the Vedas. His duty is, just like there are so many medicines. If you go to a drugstore, all of them are medicines. But the experienced physician, he gives you a medicine which is particularly suitable for you. You cannot say, sir, why you are selecting medicine? You can give any one bottle. That is nonsense. Not anyone. The particular body, a particular bottle, and a particular medicine which is suitable for you, the experienced physician gives you. He is Acharya. So, you cannot say that everything is medicine whichever bottle I take, that's all right. No, that's not. This is going on. Jatamat tattva. Why jatamat tattva? The particular mode which is suitable for you at a particular time, that should be accepted, not any other mode. So similarly, in this age, in this Kali Yuga, where people are very short living, duration of life is very short, they are unfortunate, they are very slow, and they take to unauthorized means of religious principles. They are prone to so many disturbances of life. Therefore, this particular medicine for this age, as given by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama iva kevalam, Kalau nastiva, nastiva, nastiva gatirannatha. Prabhu kahe, ya haite sarva siddhi haiveto. So, we should take the instruction of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who has especially incarnated himself in this age, Kali Yuga. Kalau sankirtanai prai jajanti hi sumedhas. This is the Shastric injunction. Krishna varnang tisa Krishnam, sanga pangasta parsadam, jaggai sankirtanai prai jajanti hi sumedhas. This is the injunction in the Shastra, that this form of the Lord, who is accompanied by his associates, Sangha Pangasta Parsada. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is always associated with Sri Advaita Prabhu, Sri Nityananda Prabhu, Sri Gadadhar Prabhu, Sri Srivasa Prabhu. Therefore, the process of worship is Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Sri Advaita Gadadhar, Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda. That is perfect process. Not to cut short. No, as it is indicated. This is indication in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Krishna Varnang Tisa Krishnang Sangha Pangastapa. So when we have to worship Lord Chaitanya, we worship with his associates. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Sri Advaita Gadadhar, Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda. No, cut short method. So that is Shastric injunction. So, in order to get rid of the sinful activities of this age, it is already prescribed in the Shastra and confirmed by the greatest authority, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chetadatmanam arjanam bhava mahadavagni nirvapanam. So we should all take to this Mahamantra, chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna